Ever thought of trying a diet that doesn't tell you what to eat, but when to eat? Welcome to the fascinating world of intermittent fasting. This dietary pattern doesn't revolve around the food on your plate, but rather the clock on your wall. It's all about the rhythm, the cycle of eating and fasting. Imagine it like dancing to the beat of your own metabolic drum. Intermittent fasting, or IF, as it's fondly referred to, has been linked to a host of potential benefits. We're talking weight management, improved metabolic health, and even cellular repair processes. It's like giving your body a tune-up, while you simply decide when to fill up the tank. So if you're excited about the idea of fasting for health benefits, stay tuned to learn about different methods you can try, because in the world of intermittent fasting, it's not about the what, but all about the when. Now let's dive into some popular intermittent fasting methods. Remember, one size doesn't fit all, so pick what fits your lifestyle and preferences. First on our list is time-restricted eating, or TRE. Imagine your day as a big round clock, but instead of all 24 hours up for grabs, you're only allowed to eat during a specific slice of time. Popular variations include the 16-8 and 14-10 methods. That's 16 hours of fasting with an 8-hour window for eating, or 14 hours fasting with a 10-hour window for eating. Next up, we have the 5-2 diet. Picture your week as a 7-slice pizza. 5 slices are all yours to enjoy without any restrictions. But the remaining 2 slices, you'll have to hold back, significantly reducing your calorie intake for those 2 days. Then there's alternate day fasting, or ADF. Think of it as a seesaw. One day you're up in the air, fasting away. The next day you're down on the ground, eating normally. The eat stop eat method is like taking a day-long vacation from eating. Once or twice a week you'll fast for a full 24 hours. It's like hitting the pause button on eating just for a day. Finally, we have the warrior diet, a more extreme approach. Imagine your day as a mountain. You'll spend most of your day at the base, nibbling on small amounts of raw fruits and vegetables. But come evening, you'll climb to the peak and have one large meal. Quite a buffet of options, isn't it? But remember, the best diet is the one you can stick to. Whether you're a time-restricting TRE devotee, a seesawing ADF acolyte, or a mountain-climbing warrior dieter, the most important thing is to find a method that suits you like a well-tailored suit or a pair of comfy old jeans. Because when it comes to fasting, the best method is the one that feels less like a chore and more like a lifestyle. So take your pick, and let's move on to how to choose the right method for you. So, how do you choose the right fasting method for you? Let's go through some key considerations. First, it's important to start gradually. If you're new to fasting, don't jump into the deep end with a 24-hour fast. Begin with shorter fasts and less frequent schedules. It's like learning to swim. You wouldn't start in the deep end, would you? Of course not. You'd start in the shallow end and gradually work your way deeper as you become more comfortable. Next, consider your lifestyle. Do you have a packed schedule, or do you have a more flexible routine? Some methods are more flexible and easier to integrate into a busy schedule than others. So choose a method that fits your lifestyle, not the other way around. Sustainability is also crucial. This isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. Choose a method you can maintain long-term for the best results. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your perfect fasting schedule. Lastly, and most importantly, always consult your doctor before starting intermittent fasting, especially if you have underlying health conditions. It's like going on a road trip. You wouldn't set off without checking your car first, right? So don't start your fasting journey without a health check. Remember, your body is unique, and what works for others might not work for you. So listen to your body and adjust your fasting pattern as needed. So, are you ready to give intermittent fasting a shot? Let's dive deeper, folks. Research the different methods we've discussed. Consider your goals, lifestyle, and how each method fits into the big picture. Need a bit more support? Don't hesitate to seek out a dietitian or healthcare professional specializing in fasting. They'll be your guiding star in this journey. And remember, the path to health isn't a 100-meter dash, it's a marathon. So take your time, explore your options, and above all, listen to your body. Remember, the journey to health is a marathon, not a sprint. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, this is your Nutrition Navigator signing off.